In the rapidly developing landscape of Marathahalli, Bangalore, the demand for reliable and accurate electrical design estimating and costing services is of paramount importance to the successful execution of construction and renovation projects. Scon Design India Private Ltd, a leading engineering and design firm, has established itself as a trusted provider of meticulous electrical design estimating and costing solutions within this bustling suburb and beyond. Their professional expertise in this domain ensures that clients receive a comprehensive assessment of their electrical project requirements, matched with cost-effective and efficient design proposals. The electrical design estimating and costing process is a critical phase in any construction or infrastructure project. It involves the detailed analysis of electrical systems, components, and materials required to fulfill the project's specifications while adhering to applicable codes and standards. Scon Design India Private Ltd employs a team of seasoned electrical engineers and cost estimators who specialize in crafting tailored solutions that align with the client's budgetary constraints and project goals. Scon Design's approach to electrical design estimating and costing is both systematic and innovative. By leveraging advanced software tools and methodologies, the firm is capable of delivering precise estimates that facilitate informed decision-making for its clients. From initial concept to final implementation, every aspect of an electrical system is meticulously scrutinized to ensure that the estimates provided are both accurate and viable. The expertise offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd extends beyond mere number crunching. The firm's professionals are adept at identifying potential cost savings without compromising on quality or compliance. This balance between cost-effectiveness and adherence to high standards is what distinguishes Scon Design services in the competitive Marathahalli market. In the bustling technological hub of Marathahalli, Bangalore, the demand for meticulous electrical design estimating and costing services is ever increasing. Scon Design India Private Ltd, a reputable firm in this domain, stands at the forefront of catering to these intricate requirements with precision and professionalism. Their expertise in electrical design estimating and costing ensures that projects are not only designed efficiently but also executed within the stipulated budget, affirming their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. The process of electrical design estimating and costing is a critical component in the construction and renovation of commercial, industrial, and residential buildings. It involves a thorough analysis of the electrical needs of a project and the subsequent calculation of materials, labor, and other costs associated with the design and installation of electrical systems. The expertise offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd